One of the men convicted in the murder of Teresa Halbach wants the governor to let him out of prison. Brendan Dassey's team filed a petition for clemency. Sean Gallagher shows us why Dassey's team thinks it's time for him to be released.
Brendan Dassey turns 30 years old in just a few weeks, but he's been in prison since he was 16. But now his defense team hopes that this petition will get him out a lot sooner.
Today, we are filing a petition for executive clemency on behalf of Brendan Dassey.
Laura Nyrider is one of the attorneys for Brendan Dassey. She says the popularity of the Making a Murderer docuseries was partly because of what happened to Brendan.
This case is a profound miscarriage of justice.
The crux of their argument stems from Brendan's interrogation. They say because of his limited IQ and mental capacity, he just said what police wanted to hear. Police trainer David Thompson says he uses the video to teach officers what not to do in an interrogation.
The most gut sickness you have from an interrogation, and any time that you have an innocent person convicted of a crime they didn't commit, that has to be defined as the worst interrogation you've seen.
The petition for clemency is looking for two things: to pardon Brendan Dassey and commute his sentence. In essence, Governor Tony Evers could grant him his immediate freedom, but it could leave the convictions on his record.
So we're hopeful that Governor Evers, when he looks at Brendan, when he hears the support of organizations like the Milwaukee Teachers Education Association, when he hears disability experts speak about Brendan's special education history, he'll recognize the vulnerabilities that Brendan brought to that interrogation room.
Dassey's attorney says no matter what happens with this decision, it won't have an impact on the Stephen Avery case. In Madison, Sean Gallagher, today's TMJ4.
Governor Evers' office says it's received the petition and they give every pardon application careful review and consideration. But according to the Pardon Advisory Board, it could take several months or over a year before Dassey's case is actually reviewed.